बोलो, बोलना होता है.
What's wrong with you? हाई डिफरेंस लेजेंड पता चल रहा है.
Nobody knows me. I don't know them, so it doesn't really matter. My whole makeup is done, but my lips. Influencers in the wild.
I swear.
I don't know इसमें कितने पैसे हैं. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just randomly had the urge to vlog, so I'm doing that. I'm right now at Uniqlo. I had actually come here to shoot a video in the garden because the brand wanted a garden situation. This is what I'm wearing. Fun tube top with pants and obviously my Birkenstocks and just a bag with a lot of stuff that I actually don't need. The summer collection at Uniqlo is so cute and I am here with my partner. Summer dresses, summer shorts, and even these tops are really fun and cute. Like you don't have to wear anything under in these. I'm gonna try these pants because I do not own a single track pant. देखो ये कितनी cute है. Leafy. I'm trying their basic tanks and this track pant that I told you about. Oh my god, just look at this. I don't know why do I never get my length anywhere except Zara. Even H&M doesn't have it. This is the another one. I like the fit, but like these lines are showing, so I'm not sure. Maybe for a dark color will look good, but I don't know. So I am back and I am very hungry. तो मैंने मम्मी को भेज दिया है टू गेट मी चिकन वड़ा पाव. इफ यू नो इट्स आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स. एंड ऑल्सो द प्लान फॉर टुडे इज बेसिकली जस्ट गो होम. आई हैव माई वैक्सिंग अपॉइंटमेंट, सो मुझे कल भी जाना है टू लैक्मे फैशन वीक एंड बेसिकली फॉर दैट ओनली अभी हम मॉल गए थे. आफ्टर यूनिक्लो वी वेंट टू ज़ारा, वी गॉट दिस ड्रेस. द फिटिंग ऑफ द ड्रेस इज अ लिटिल ऑफ. मतलब मेरा उसमें साइज ही नहीं था. आई वांटेड द स्मॉल साइज बट आई गॉट मीडियम, सो I will just have to make it work. You will get to see it tomorrow. And I think tomorrow is going to be super fun but very very hectic because I have to shoot for 2 brands and then go to the show which is at 4. I have to reach there by 12 or max 12:30. A good 5-6 hours I'll be there. Uske baad we'll see. I think I'll meet a couple of friends and maybe we plan something or maybe not. Like totally depends on my mood because मैं ये सब shoots के बाद ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा थक जाती हूँ. मुझे यहाँ पे ना एक पिंपल आया है. It's been I think more than 15 days. ये जा ही नहीं रहा है. लोग साइड से जा रहे हैं मुझे देखते हुए. It's so awkward. Nobody knows me. I don't know them, so it doesn't really matter. Really thankful to whoever has subscribed. And if you haven't, then you definitely should. I'll go home now. Bye. I can literally eat this every day. Hi guys, I am almost ready. Just ignore the mess and my hair. I have curled my hair, so I have kept it behind. And this is what I'm wearing. And these will be my footwear. And I'll also carry a white clutch. Just putting on some body oil. Not too much, just a little for that shine. On my collarbones as well. Also the best part is that it smells great. This is the perfume that I'll be wearing today. It's from Narciso Rodriguez. Just need to put on some accessories and I'll be done. Wow, मैं इतनी smart हूँ, मैंने lipstick ही नहीं लगाई है. Like my whole makeup is done but my lips. Wow. I just love all the gloss finish lipsticks. I think they just make your lips pop more. I'll just open my curls like roughly सिर्फ fingers से because मेरे बालों पे curls ज़्यादा last नहीं करते हैं. I've put so much hairspray, so I hope it stays. I am ready. This will be my bag and this will be my footwear that I'll carry because मैं drive नहीं कर सकती हूँ in heels. And this is the bag with all of my makeup and some extra stuff. I just got done with the show and oh my god, my head is hurting so bad. I haven't had a sip of water, haven't even eaten anything. मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे literally टिफिन दिया है जिसमें कड़ी चावल है. So I am gonna eat this now and then I'm gonna quickly leave, go home because I cannot deal with this headache. So the show was nice. Ishan Khattar, Kalki and I think एक और कोई था, I don't know her. So they were the showstopper. It was fun, but it was too short. Like I think 15 minutes में खत्म हो गया था show. My कड़ी चावल. It feels so good to eat after a long day. I literally came here around 12:30 and अभी मैं फ्री हुई. It's 4:34 hours. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कितने 10-12 घंटे हो गए अब. It's the next day. I am on my way to the gym. It's literally 1 PM. I still have motivation to go because I really want to get fit like before my birthday, which is in August. A lot of things to do today. Yesterday, Lakme Fashion Week was so hectic. I was wearing heels throughout the day and अभी मेरे पैरों में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है. It's sometime later. I had lunch and now I have gotten ready for an event. Like my makeup is done, outfit is done. I just need to put on some accessories and leave. And for the first time ever, the event location is like literally 15 minutes away from my place. वरना जो बाकी events होते हैं उसमें usually like 1-1.5 घंटा max तो लगता ही है. My outfit. Say something for my YouTube. बोलो, बोलना होता है.
Like, subscribe and comment to Suriti's channel.
Wow.
और कुछ बोलना. Outfit.
On the scale
9
of 10. Oh.
हाँ.
1.
I'm the one you are missing.
Oh. Our hampers. करनी है unboxing.
करनी है ये देख I mean mug guys, what is wrong with you all? हाँ ये सुधीर तूने ही पैक किया था क्या?
Influencers in the wild.
I swear. Bro, height difference legit पता चल रहा है. एक और लेना है बस.
Yes, we are at Madrasi having क्या है ये? Podi idli with Krupa and Nilofer. I have reached home and मुझे बहुत बड़ा hamper मिला है. So let's go home and see कि इसमें क्या है क्योंकि ये बहुत heavy भी है. There's my bag. Oh, पूरा wrap किया हुआ है. Wow. So it's a beverage cup. मुझे लगा पिंक होगा बट इट्स ऐसा प्रिंट में है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव समथिंग. देयर इज अ गिफ्ट कार्ड. वाओ, आई डोंट नो इसमें कितने पैसे हैं बट इट्स अ मग इन द सेम पैटर्न एंड डेनिम टोट बैग. Cute. Oh, it's yellow from inside. Wow. And a magazine sort of a thing. That is it. Now I'll just remove my makeup and go to bed. I'll see you all. Bye. Good night.